Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable seen message on Instagram. We start by opening our Instagram profile, then click on the top drop-down menu and then on Settings and Privacy. After that, we will click on the Messages and Responses to Stories option and then on Show Read Receipts. Here we will see the Read Receipts option that we can deactivate so that they cannot see if you read a message. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.